Hi guys, are you doing mistakes when you're solving hybridization problems? So here we have three simplest methods or tricks to solve hybridization in the easiest manner. So let me discuss one by one. After learning all these three methods, you can never do a mistake when you're solving hybridization. So let us find hybridization with a method 1. In the first method, how to find hybridization? This is regular and simple formula based method. Hybridization is equals to half of valency of central atom plus number of monovalent atoms connected to it plus or minus charge. If the charge is cation charge, you should subtract. If the charge is anion charge, you should add it. This is a regular method. Now in this method, let us find hybridization of SO2. Here half into valency of sulfur 6, valence electrons of sulfur 6, monovalent atoms connected here no one, 0, plus or minus 0. Since cation, it is not cation, it is not anion. Then it is half into 6, 3. If it is 3, hybridization is sp2. Is it perfect? Now in the same way, let us find hybridization of NH4 plus. So half into nitrogen valence electrons 5 plus connected monovalent atoms 4. Here it is cation, so minus 1 charge. Then hybridization half into 9 minus 1, that is half into 8, 4, then it is sp3 hybridization. So perfect. Now this kind of hybridization to find for heavy molecules or any molecule in a second method. Method 2, or you can think it is a trick also. It is a trick. Whenever you forgot the formula or you have a confusion with the formula, so SO2, you know sulfur is central atom, oxygen is doubly bonded, its valency is 2. Then take first sulfur, take its valency electrons in this way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Valence electrons of sulfur is 6. Now first oxygen takes 2 electrons for bonding, second oxygen 2 electrons for bonding, and one lone pair is pending. Now when you are counting, remember multiple bond should be considered as only one bond, since it has only sigma bond, one sigma bond. So here sigma and pi bond is there, you take only sigma bond in calculation, any situation. So number of sigma bonds, here one, and the lone pair is one lone pair. Hybridization, number of sigma bonds 2 plus lone pairs 1, 3. Then hybridization is sp2 hybridization. It is perfect. Same way, let us find it for NH4 plus in second method. Nitrogen valence electrons 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But it is plus charge, that means remove one electron. So I am removing this electron. Then I have only 4 electrons. First hydrogen, second hydrogen, third hydrogen, fourth hydrogen. So here there is no double bonds, all are single bonds and sigma bonds. The number of sigma bonds 4, lone pairs 0. So it is 4, hybridization is sp3. So hybridization here sp2, here sp3. In the first method also we got sp2, sp3. In the second method also we got sp2, sp3. Now in the third method, so this is rarely used. If you're comfortable with this, you can follow this method also. In method 3, first we should take valence electrons of all atoms. Good. Now add them. Add all valence electrons of all the atoms in the molecule. Now if the sum is 8 and more than 8, if it is 8, you can directly divide this by 2. If it is below 8 also, you can divide it by 2. Then you will get a coefficient plus remainder. Now add the coefficient plus remainder. That sum will give you hybridization. If it is more than 8, at that time, if any value more than 8, that means 9, 10, 11, 12, that value you should divide with 8. Then you will get coefficient plus remainder. Now if the remainder is not 0, remainder you get, that you should divide with one more number to get a coefficient plus remainder 0. If you don't get remainder 0, leave the remainder as it is. Then add coefficient 1, coefficient 2 and the final remainder. So let us do an example with this. I'll take again SO2. Sulfur valency electron 6, oxygen 6, second oxygen 6. Total 18. Now this 18 is greater than 8, so we should not divide with 2, we should divide with 8. I have divided with 8. 8 2s are 16. Then remainder is 2. This is coefficient 1, remainder 1. That means first remainder, coefficient, first remainder. But the remainder is not 0, so I will take the remainder. Again divide with one more number. Then I'll get coefficient 1, remainder 0. Now add this coefficient and the remainder. So 2 plus 1 plus 0, 3, then it is sp2. Same way let us try for NH4 plus. Nitrogen 5, 4 hydrogens 4, but the plus charge is there -1. Then its value is 8. Now this you should divide with 2. Then the coefficient is 4, remainder is 0. So 4 is sp3 hybridization. Sum of the coefficient plus remainder is 4. So sp3 hybridization. So this is method 3. So once again let us see. In method 1, based on the formula we did. In method 2, based on the Lewis-Strauss structure we did. In method 3, by division method we did. Now please comment out of these 3 methods which is most easiest for you. After that, once to get complete grip on hybridization solving, use these 3 examples and solve once. Carbonate, first method, second method, third method. PCl5, first method, second method, third method. Carbon. Hope it is useful. Once practice this to get complete grip on hybridization.